Hi friends, today we are going to do our G sound worksheet. And so you need your goose, pack it out. It has a goose on the front and we can rip the goose out and we can rip the next page because this is the page we're going to use. And next week when we do H, we'll do house. So put this back in your school box and you need these two papers today. So the first thing we're going to do is go through and we need to find all the things that have the G sound. G, G, G. So Mrs. Shimmy is going to get her black crayon and we're going to circle all the things that have the G sound and we're going to X out things that do not. So first of all, let's take a look at the G, G, ghost. G, ghost. Yes, so I'm going to circle it. G, gas. G, yes. K, cap. K. G, guitar. Yes. K, kite. K, cake. G, gate. Qu, queen. G, gum. F, fish. This is a toy gun, but Mrs. Shimmy doesn't like it. So what I always do when I get to this is I actually take my green crayon because green begins with G, and I just X it out. And I'm going to tell you what we're going to do later. Gun does begin with G, but I like the color green better. So I'll tell you in a minute what we're going to do with that. And this is a jack in the box, and that has a ch sound, so we don't want that. So we should have circled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, and then we have this little X in green. So what I'd like you to do now is take a look at your goose. And we have to cut out the things that begin with G and glue them on your goose. But instead of using the gun, I want to use the green color word. So if you would take one egg and color it green, so that we have 5 more things that we need to cut out and glue on here. And those are the things that we circled. And you can also color them. So let's start by, we want to cut out the gate. Gate. Let's see, how about the gum? And we have the gas and the goat, or the gas and the ghost, and then the guitar. Okay. So we have 3 more things to cut out. You want to go very slowly and then the shape of an oval. Okay, so let's take a look at the things that we need to glue on that have the G sound. Now we already colored green, so we don't have to color that one, but we have to color the gas, the guitar, the goat, the gate, and the gum. Now, if I'm going too fast, you just pause the video. Okay. So let's think. I'm going to take my brown crayon and color the guitar nicely. Remember, you want to color things different colors. You just don't want to take one crayon and scribble all over. And let's see, I'm going to leave my ghost white. I'm going to actually color the fence blue. Okay, and then my gum, I think I'm going to color that pink. And then my goose, what color do you want to color the goose? Well, I think I'm going to color it. I think I'm going to color my goose yellow. So I'm going to get my yellow crayon out now, very slowly, because we don't want to scribble. We want to color in our goose. And we just want to go straight up and down. And remember, Mrs. Shimia likes to outline too. That helps as we're going around the edges. Okay. Okay, now I think I'm going to give him orange feet. Because once again, you just don't want to take one color and scribble over the whole thing. And once again, we want to outline and then color in. Outline. And if Mrs. Shimmy is going too fast, just hit the pause button and color in. Okay, and now I'm going to color his beak. So I look forward to looking at some really nicely colored geese. I forgot some yellow there, so I got to go back with my yellow. Okay, and then when you're done, you can just take a picture, and I look forward to all of your nicely colored G things. Gas, guitar, ghost, gum, gate, and green.